My name is Jenny and I'm doing a packing and a review of the Spade Cameron Mini Convertible Backpack. This one I actually got on one of the resale sites, Mercari, for less than $100. I've only come across this bag because I was actually looking for a gift for a friend, and I luckily live by a Kate Spade outlet, and they actually had this in black. And I think that one they were having a sale and it was on clearance, and I think I got that one for $80. I'm not sure what they're going for now, if you can find them. I think like on Amazon I saw them going for like 170 plus. So I mean, go to resale sites, you can definitely find them a lot cheaper. So this is their Safriano leather. You can see it's mint. It does have silver hardware. It measures about 6 by 7.5 by 3. So you can see there is a front pocket, no snap or anything, and then there is a side pocket right here that goes pretty much all the way to the other side of the bag. So that's where I put my phone. And you can see the backpack has 2 straps. It looks like the straps are pretty long. I've come across a lot of these mini convertibles that have long straps, but luckily, like I did with my Jen.A.Mira, the Michael Kors bag, I'm just going to loop it through there when I shortened it. But then what I like about this one as well, I'm going to show you how to take off one of the straps. So it does have its own D-rings right there to attach like a little purse. I'm guessing that's why they have it, the strap so long, so you can actually crossbody it or shoulder carry. But I think this will be just perfect as a little mini backpack. Okay, let me flip that over. And then on the inside, you can see the little lining. It is kind of like off-white kind of color, and then you can see there's really no internal organization other than the pocket right here. Okay, let me show you how I have this packed up. Okay, so even though this is a small bag, it definitely fit quite a bit. In the front pocket, I don't have anything here. I imagine I'd be using it for like my mask, just because it is a tight fit anyways, so not a lot can fit in here, not even like really lip gloss. Like it would be sticking out like that if you decide to put lip gloss. So on the side pocket here, I was able to fit my iPhone XS Max in it, but this is the phone case, so it was a tight fit, like I had to maneuver it in. But if you don't have a cover in it, the iPhone XS Max fits in perfectly. But then again, I like a cover on it, and this is actually a slim case. Okay, let's get into the interior. So you guys know I like to pouch pack. So I do have my wide pouch mini, my Kate Spade trifold wallet. Forgot the name, sorry. And then my sanitizer spray, my mid pouch. I was able to fit my sunglass case in there, and then in the back here is a pack of tissues. I tried putting my wallet in there, but it's a little too thick and it kind of weighed down the lining, so I ended up just putting that back there. So definitely a cute spring bag. It packs quite a bit, so I wouldn't really say this is a mini. Let me show you a size difference. So this is the Jen.A.Mira, and as you can see, the Kate Spade is taller. This has a lot more pockets, but this is also a tight fit when you pack quite a bit in it as well. Well, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.